Welcome back to a new video. We are here at this beautiful creek. We're gonna be getting in. Hopefully we can catch some decent sized fish, but today we're just trying to catch a lot of fish. I don't really care about the size of the fish, just the amount of fish. Before we get to that though, I just want to say thanks to everyone that has subscribed, that has liked and watched my videos. It really means a lot to me and I appreciate it a lot. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't mind giving a like, subscribe, share around with your family members, friends. Let's get right to it. So this is our second time trying to fish a creek, because last time we tried doing something like this. David, my cousin, he fell in the water. I'm gonna put that clip right now. So yeah, so that day did not go good at all. We didn't catch no fish. He fell in the water, and hopefully we can catch fish today. There is some fish in here, I know for sure, because we came last summer and we caught a lot of bluegill, green sunfish. Deep right here. Watch out for snakes. Woohoo! I just saw a fish swipe at it. I saw a fish swipe at it. Yeah. All right, we're gonna be moving up the creek. Hopefully we can find some more fish. Ooh. The water? I have one. Yeah. It's a nice, what is this? Green sunfish, I believe. Yeah. Well, first fish of the day for me. Hopefully not the last. Sheesh. Gotta be careful with when you're dealing with treble hooks. All right, let him go. Ooh, off he goes. Right. If there's a bass, it's getting for sure. You're lying.
So you're gonna stop.
I think I saw him.
Stop.
Oh, I got one. 2 for me. This is a smaller one. I kind of want to keep some as pets. Yeah, like small, like these bluegills. Second one of the day. Ooh, sorry, buddy. There he goes back. Bro, I got one. Ooh. I guess you will say that he's foul hooked.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean. I think I lost it. Oh, look at the guy over there. Well, third fish of the day. I believe so, third fish. Hopefully we could get a bass. I really want to get a bass. Back he goes. Oh yeah, there's a lot right there. They just swam inside. Ooh, what is this? Oh, look at the colors on this guy. Oh. Oh wow, this is a beautiful fish. Very beautiful fish. Back he goes. Alright. As you can see, the fish in here are very beautiful. This is a green sunfish. I believe they are spawning. Ooh, I almost got my hook. Ooh, he fell. Alright, I believe they're spawning right now. See? There you go. It's like they should attack it on sight. Like, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna leave it there. They're looking at it. They're looking at it. They attacked it. Hold up. How big is that? Hold up. Alright. I think David just got a really big green sunfish. Like really, really big. Jesus. That's your PB. That's your PB.
Look at that.
Oh my God. Oh, I gotta put the rod down. Guys. Alright. So that's David's first fish. That's a really big green sunfish. That's like the biggest one I've ever seen.
It's right there. Like legit just like boom, caught it.
They attack it instantly.
No, this one fought. I thought it was like a 2-pound bass.
I thought you were getting the bass, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you?
Here, take my rod. Let me get it back.
So David caught it on this little Guggen Squad crankbait. The fish David just caught, that was a really big green sunfish. I don't know if y'all know, but they don't like sunfish like that. They don't really get that big. But there is a few big ones. And as you can see there, that was a really nice one. He thought he had a bass for a second. He said that's how hard it fought. There you go, I have one too. We're doubled up. Doubled up, doubled up. Doubled up, doubled up. What's yours? Oh, that's another. Oh my God, that's another big one.
Over here.
Jesus Christ. Another big one. Another big one for David.
I don't like these. They hurt.
Alright, let's go. Let's let go of mine. Oh, sorry. Oh, chillax. Alright, I did not mean to drop him like that.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
You got it.
So David's beating. Oh,
Okay.
Oh, we gotta let him down slowly, man.
Legit got loose from me.
Alright, so you're beating me in the size of the fish, but I'm beating you in the quantity. Oh my God, I actually got another one. I just got another one. Got another one. This is a bigger one. This is one of the biggest ones I've caught today. So this is like my 5th, 6th fish of the day. I mean, you can see they're pretty big here. Bro, these fish are so, like, they're so beautiful. There he goes. They're so aggressive, too.
These are aggressive.
All right. So last year that we came, this was the farthest we ever came, right?
Yeah.
Wow. In the pause, and I got one.
Good.
There's a lot of green sunfish in here. No, there is bass for sure. Yeah. Or they're probably more like, you know, inside. We caught some last time, remember?
Yeah.
What you did on the worm.
Actually, I go first before you.
Why?
Because you have this hook.
I mean, go for it. Show you this.
That one.
Big. Oh my god, biggin.
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 Ooh.
That's a biggin. Oh my god, that's a bass. He got a bass. David got a bass. There you go, there you go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright. Give you a line.
Nice one. Full heart too.
Jesus. Honestly, I thought he was way bigger.
Yeah, I thought too, because I saw the weight. I was like, ooh, he's big.
You told me too. Well, you're like, let me throw first. Are you sure? Oh, I got one. I got one.
Damn, that's a good one for the spot, huh?
Yeah. Or they choke it. There you go. That's like my number. I don't even know what number that is, but back he goes.
I know where there's one. I bet you 20 bucks anybody got it.
There you go. This is nice. I mean, it's the biggest one I've gotten all day. No, never mind.
Fuck.
Never mind. It's just foul hooked.
I'm bending over so everything could be done.
All right. Well, we're going full in. Ooh, look at David, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh, I had your phone in my pocket. I'm playing.
I'm like, I thought you said your phone, because I'm like, I remember I put mine over there.
You're not going really deep.
Es que hay piedras.
Yeah. You can go more.
That one.
You're lying.
Big one.
You're lying. There you go. There you go. Come on. What is that?
Ooh.
What is that? Oh, a bass! Oh my god! Yeah?
I'll say, look, hold it.
Don't let it go porque si se va.
David got a bass.
David got a bag.
Okay. Let's see if I can catch one.
Alright, let's have with your head. No! Oh! Where is it?
Oh my god!
I'm putting it in.
Go, I'm gonna throw it.
No me vas a agarrar a mí. Oh my god! I'm under the water.
Hey, I got a big one. I got a big one.
Unhook this
Hey,
guy.
do you have that in the GoPro?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna get it good, bro. Cause I was falling over there and deep as shit. Mojate, baby.
Stop. Stop.
This is probably the most beautiful fish we got this day.
But we're gonna show it. There's
a lot of bubbles coming around here.
Bro?
Mira.
Oh my god, that's a nice one.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
What is this? What is this? Oh, what?
What is it?
What are you?
Is it the same one?
It's a different one.
I have something on my feet.
It's too small, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's release it real quick.
Oh, no wonder this ain't working. It is.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. This is a beautiful creek. We had a good day of fishing. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe, share with your family members, friends. Catch you on the next one.